Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 8290. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 8290 is making a weird noise, you're not alone. This issue typically arises from a blockage or a failing component within the vacuum. Ignoring this problem can lead to further damage, reduced suction power, or even complete failure of your device. But don't worry, with a bit of effort, you can sort it out yourself. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement part for the faulty component, and a pair of pliers. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Carefully locate the screws on the body of the vacuum and remove them using your screwdriver. Take your time with this step, you don't want to strip any screws. Once the screws are out, gently prise open the vacuum cleaner's casing. Be cautious not to force it, as you may damage the clips holding it together. Now, look for the motor assembly, it's usually located at the center of the vacuum. Listen closely to identify the source of the weird noise. If you find that the motor is the culprit, you will need to disconnect any wiring harness attached to it. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will help you when reassembling. Carefully remove the faulty motor from its mount by taking out any additional screws holding it in place. Remember to apply even pressure while loosening the screws. When you've extracted the motor, replace it with the new one, ensuring all connections are secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, before closing the vacuum, double-check all connections and screws. Once satisfied, reassemble the casing, ensuring all clips are securely in place and all screws are tightened. Lastly, plug the vacuum back in and test it to ensure the noise has disappeared and it's functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the vacuum's filters and check for blockages in the hose. Proper maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.